170 million naira can get you this 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex located inside a very secured estate here in Ajah Lekki, Lagos. Now, one of the things that I really love about the estate where this property is located is their strict level of security. I mean, you need an estate a code to come into the estate and also to exit the estate. That's how secured it is. And we have we had 3 units, but right now we only have 2 units available. So you can see the middle unit is sold already. So if you love what you see at the end of this video, kindly contact me immediately. The rooms are spacious, the living area, the kitchen is fully fitted. We have a microwave oven, a refrigerator there. We also have a washing machine. It's a fully fitted kitchen. Now, in a couple of seconds, I will be flipping this camera to go in and give you a tour, not just for the interior of the house alone, but I'll also give you a glimpse of what the neighborhood looks like. And we'll also be moving around this building so that irrespective of where you are, you get to see this property in its complete form. It has a title of governor's consent and also has its building approval available. Now, before I flip this camera to go into this property, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. I am so delighted to grace your screen today. My name is Victoria Chizobaduraku, and I have such a beautiful family here on YouTube that we're growing together, and we would really love to welcome you into that family. So all I'm saying in essence is that you should please hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you get to be notified every time I post a video here. And also, just in case this doesn't fit into what you want, maybe you want something above this price or even below this price, either in this same estate or in a different estate, or you want a land or something you can pay instrumentally, commercial properties, we have them at various locations. Just reach out to me on the number that is displayed on your screen. Tell me what you want, and then we'll work together as a team to get you something very credible. Now, having done that, please be my guest as I flip this camera and we'll tour this property together while I give you more information about it. Don't go nowhere. Let's go. Welcome back, beautiful people. Now, this right here is the units that we would be inspecting. This is it right here. However, before we go in, I'd like to give you a glimpse of what the neighborhood looks like, so you get to see that it is habitable, it is accessible as well. See, we already have residents. People are moving into those duplexes right here. All right. Now, remember I said we have just 2 units, this one and that one over there. The middle one is sold already. So if you love what you see, just give us a call immediately. Now, here's a better view of the building itself. So let's see the size of the parking space. Okay, let me stand at this angle. Let's see the size of the parking space. Now, this can take up to 3 cars. Yes, 3 cars can fit into this compound. So what we're going to be doing also before we go inside, I told you we'll move around the building. So let's just move around and see what the surrounding looks like. So we have security lights to the side, by the side of the wall around the house. And I love the fact that the walkway to the house is spacious enough for 2 people to walk at the same time. See, I'm standing here and there's still enough space to move around. And another good thing about it is that you can see the distance. There's no house beside it, very close to you. See where the houses are. It's quite far from it. So that means that there'll be ventilation here. This place will be well ventilated, and then you can be sure of proper lighting. It's not one of those ones where the rooms will be dark. Okay, so this is the back of the house. 170 million naira. There can be a slight negotiation on the price. Yes, we can still have a slight reduction on the price. This gives you access to the kitchen. So give us a call. Let's help you secure this property immediately. And this house is beautiful because I've seen some other properties for this amount and they're not as good as this one. They're not as good as this. So this is a very good house that you shouldn't miss out on. All right, now we've moved around, so it's time for us to go inside. So we have a chandelier up there, we have an artificial plant up there as well. All right, so let's go inside. All right, so we're in now, and first off, let's take a look at the size of the living area before we begin to explore. This is the full size of the living area from this angle. Now let's also see it from this angle right here. So this is the size of it from this angle here. So right in the living area, we have this TV console here. There's a chandelier up here. And then right under the staircase, we have this artificial plant here. Um, I have this right here. Okay, so to this angle is where we have the guest room. And this is the full size of it. Comes with a wardrobe here and a toilet and bath here. And then next is, okay, let's see the guest toilets before we enter the kitchen. And this right here is the kitchen. Also, let's see the full size of the kitchen before we begin to explore. This is the full size of it. And then it has this washing machine right here. There's a tabletop gas burner here. There's an extractor. There's this sink right here. We have a washing machine. Sorry, we have a microwave and an oven. A microwave and an oven here. And then we have this refrigerator right here. So we are also having the speaker in the kitchen. All right, now let's go upstairs and see what we have there. So the staircase has a motion sensor light, as you can see. 170 million naira, 4 bedroom, fully detached duplex. It doesn't have a BQ. There's no BQ. 170 million naira. There can be a slight reduction on this price. Okay. So this is the family lounge, and this is the full size of the family lounge here. Now, where this estate is located is just after VGC. If you're coming from the Lekki axis, Ajah is after VGC. After Chevron, you get to Orchid, then Ikota, then VGC, then Ajah. This is the second room, 1 room downstairs, 3 rooms upstairs. Just 2 units available. If you love what you see, contact us immediately before it gets sold out. The title is governor's consent. Also has its building approval. You know how finished houses are. It's on a first come first serve basis. As at today I'm making this video, we have 2 units. There's a tendency that you come even the same day in the evening and they'll tell you one is gone already. So if you love what you see, let's schedule an inspection immediately. We'll send you documents for your lawyer to do a thorough search to confirm its authenticity before you buy. And remember, if this also doesn't fit into what you want, there's an in speaker up there. I didn't show you the other time. If this doesn't fit into what you want, remember I said we have other properties. We have land, we have commercial properties, we have properties you can pay instrumentally, we have properties that are lesser than this price, higher than this price in this estate and in other estates. Just reach out to us. So this is the master's bedroom, and this is the full size of it. Okay. Now we have quite a number of windows here, so you can be sure of proper ventilation. And to this angle is where we have the balcony right here. Okay, so we have this really beautiful chandelier that I love. It's quite nice. Up there, an inbuilt speaker, a TV console to this angle, and this is where we have the wardrobe area right here. Is where we have the wardrobe area. Let me go closer. All right. Okay, and then to this angle is where we have the toilet and bath. So there's a walk-in shower right here, and this is the size of it. There's a bathtub here. WC to this angle, and you have this right here. Okay. So there you have it, 4 bedroom, fully detached duplex located inside an estate, a very secured estate in Ajah Lekki, Lagos. Emphasis on very secured estate in the market for 170 million naira. Slightly negotiable. Title is Governor's Consent, also has its building approval. Give us a call immediately. Only 2 units available. If you've watched this video till this point, this is me saying a very big thank you. Please do not leave without subscribing. Hit the subscribe button so that every time I post a video here, you get notified. Till I come your way next time, my name is Victoria. It has been such a delight doing this with you. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.